today we'll discuss the comparison of the BER for different type of modulation scheme. As well as we'll compare the your spectral efficiency for the different type of digital modulation scheme. Okay. So first, in the BER comparison, so already means in the digital modulation, we are divided the techniques into two categories on the depending on the detection techniques on the coherent detection and non-coherent detection. So previously we have seen these are the your means coherent detection binary PSK. So in the binary PSK, two symbols is there and single carrier we used. And then binary FSK, two symbols is there, two carrier is used on for each symbols. Okay. QPSK foods, four symbols is there. On carrier for the QPSK include the and includes the QAM employ four symbols in the special case. Okay. So now in the MSK, four symbols is there, two carrier we use. Okay. Then non-coherent, there are two type of non-coherent was there, the DPSK and binary FSK. So for the DPSK, two symbols was there and one carrier, single carrier. Binary FSK, two symbols is there, two carrier is used. So now, and most of the case when we discuss those type of modulation techniques, we have seen the probability of error P in terms of the Q function, especially for the coherent detection, and for the non-coherent detection, we have seen this is a exponential term. Okay. So now this the value is tabulated over here, the BER for the different modulation scheme. So for the coherent detection, what are those different type of modulation is there? Digital modulation techniques for the binary PSK, QPSK, or MSK, the BER or probability of error, you can say both of these same, equal to Q of square root, Q function of, this is a Q function of square root of 2 EB by N naught. For the binary FSK, when using the coherent detection, in that case, Q function of EB by N naught. And for non-coherent detection, the DPSK, this is the BER for the DPSK. Last day we discussed this, 1 by 2 exponential of minus EB by N naught. And for the binary FSK, 1 by 2 exponential of EB by 2 N naught. So these are the BER or probability of error for different type of modulation scheme, digital modulation scheme. So now if we plot those value with respect of two things, in the x-axis we have taken the EB by N naught, and in the x-axis the bit error rate. Okay. So now if we draw the plot, let me reduce the size. Okay, I hope it is visible now. The graph is clearly visible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now if we look at that graph where we draw the BER versus the EB by N naught. So EB by N naught, now if we look at this, whenever we are using the your coherent detection. So coherent detection for the binary PSK, QPSK or MSK. So in that case, we can achieve a good BER with less EB by N naught. So EB by N naught indicating the SNR, we can say bit per energy into noise power. So so that means less, if this value is less, EB by N naught, if this value is small, it's indicating we are transmitting less energy. Okay, because N0 is fixed, We cannot change, it is depending on the channel. So that means when this value is small, it's indicating this value is small, EB is small. If this value is large, that means EB is large. So now if we look at this figure, okay, so that means when the EB by N0 equal to, say, at that point, say it is 9, it is 9 point something. So at that point BER equal to 10 to the minus 5. For which scheme we are getting the coherent detection for the, means these three modulation technique, we can achieve a higher BER with the less energy per bit. Okay. Second, in the second flood, there is a DPSK. So DPSK is there, but in the DPSK, when if we go this value beyond the negative side, so it is little bit increase compared to your coherent binary FSK. So after that, the DPSK, there is a binary, means coherent binary FSK, and least case there is a non-coherent binary FSK. So from this figure we can say that these techniques is good in terms of the BER when we compressing with the energy per bit. After that, this will come in the second position. Okay, then this is third and this is fourth. Now thing is that we know there is some difficulty when we use the coherent detection. So that means most of the case we use when there is no difficulty in the coherent detection. In that case we can use any of these four. Okay, if there is a difficulty to have detect the signal using the coherent detection, in that case we use the non-coherent, and if we go for the non-coherent detection, then we should go for the DPSK. Okay, so now in terms of the power spectrum density, in the power, not power spectrum density, spectral, you can say the spectral efficiency. So in the spectral efficiency, note down this point because it is not here. Okay, so I am making it points over here. Tables, I will try to make the tables. Okay, so different type of modulation scheme, your bandwidth efficiency or your spectral efficiency. Sorry. Spectral efficiency, so different type of modulation scheme is there, FSK. Then tell me FSK. BPSK. QPSK. MSK. GMSK. Then QAM. And QAM. So in the QAM, we should consider two QAM. One is 16 QAM and 64 QAM. And in this, there is another scheme 8 PSK. Okay, now tell me, so what is the definition of the spectral efficiency? The definition of the spectral efficiency is that how many bits we are transmitting by using per second per kilohertz, means per hertz. So bit the per second per hertz. So that is the your unit for. So basically beat, don't write the B over here, beat, write the beat. Okay, so beat per second per hertz. So this is the spectral efficiency. So now if we just tell me what is the value for the FSK, for the FSK the value, it will be less than 1, and it's depend on the modulation scheme or modulation index that is using for the FSK. So now binary PSK. So what is the spectral efficiency for the binary PSK? Anyone? So in suppose 0 and this time equal to TB. Okay. So what should be the spectral efficiency for the BPSK? The spectral efficiency for the BSK, it will be 1, because we are sending a single bit per bit duration. Okay, so from that we can concept and calculate, and with that value will be 2. So in the QPSK, what should be that value? Anyone? What is the value for the QPSK?
Sir, is that 4?
QPSK is that 2, because how many bits we are using for a single double bits we are using na D bits. If you recall the D bits, so it will be 2. Okay, so MSK and GMSK, it is little bit more than the binary PSK, and that value equal to 3.5. Okay, around 3.5. Okay, for the 16 QAM, so what should be the value of the 16 QAM? Okay, before we discuss the 16 QAM or 64 QAM, what is the bit means spectral efficiency for the 8 PSK? So for the 8 PSK, how many bits are we are using for this 1 bit duration? In a symbols, how many bits we are using? That is 3 bits we are using. So the spectral efficiency for 3. Now for the QAM, 16 QAM it will be 4, and for 64 QAM it will be 6. Okay, so basically all the terms we already discussed earlier, and I just conclude or give the brief of those terms. And here we consider the special case, means the in numerical term. Previously if you see, most of the case for the most of the modulation techniques, we discuss the power spectrum density or bit error rate, those things. In some case also we discuss about the your uh, bandwidth efficiency. When we compare this portion, so we have seen the spectral efficiency for the every FSK. Okay, so when we going for this, that is changing, and we also find out what is the, so this is the bandwidth efficiency or spectral efficiency. This is almost same. Okay, when we talk about the spectral efficiency or bandwidth efficiency, both are the same, and that is denoted by the rho. Okay, and bits per second per hertz if you see the unit. Okay, so this is the value for the different value. Okay, so this is on case is given. I think there is on plot is there also. Okay, no, this is CB band. Okay, So bandwidth efficiency, in here you can find out some that value. What is the bandwidth efficiency? Okay. Okay. So similarly, we used means we discuss also for different other modulation technique also. So now, is there any doubt up to this?